Hi there, my name is Gang and welcome to Talk in Korean. In this lesson, you will learn how to say what color is it in Korean. Okay, let's get started. For example, one of your friends told you he bought a new bike, and then you can ask what color is it if you want to ask about the color of it. Of course, when you ask the question, you don't need to indicate the bike because both of you already know which one is being referred to. Or maybe the bike is not present in front of you, right? In Korean, the casual or informal version of that question is 무슨 색이니? One more time. 무슨 색이니? You can ask 무슨 색이니? This version can be used between your close friends. Okay? And the polite or formal version of that is 무슨 색입니까? One more time. 무슨 색입니까? We can ask 무슨 색입니까? This version can be used when you talk to a senior person. Okay? Today, I've talked about how to say what color is it in Korean. In the next lesson, we'll be learning how to answer the question, what color is it in Korean? Okay? Remember that. The key to learning Hangul quickly is practicing it as much as possible. A new video is going to be uploaded to this channel every week. If you like, click the subscribe and follow along. Thank you for watching today. See you again next time. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. 안녕.